So I made this pumpkin bread.
Oh my god!
Where'd it go?
It's right there, look.
I want to wash no dishes.
We hate washing dishes. I'm so excited because I'm going to share with you my pumpkin bread recipe. Hey, you guys, if you know me or if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I love to bake. And this is a newfound love. I actually baked some bread. I'm so proud of it. Here's a picture. So this pumpkin recipe, everybody went crazy over it. Like, I posted it on Instagram. Everybody wanted the recipe. In real life, we took it to church and we gave it to some friends and family, and they went crazy. They're like, this is bomb. Like, this is better than the Starbucks pumpkin bread. I also wanted to let you guys know that this recipe will be on my blog in the description box down below. So check it out. All right, so the first step is to actually get, what are those tins called that you cook in? You grab your baking pan and all of your beautiful ingredients. And you want to set your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and you want to grease the inside of your baking pan so your mixture doesn't actually stick. Grab your bowl and start mixing all of the ingredients together. We're making it for 3 different loaves because these breads are in high demand, guys. So you just want to slop that pumpkin in there. Kind of smells like baby food. So next we're going to add all of our other wet ingredients. So, brown sugar, our soy milk or plant-based milk. Remember, these are vegan cookies.
Cookies?
And then this is the flax egg. This is really what is going to make everything kind of stick together. And flax seeds are really good for your skin. They're rich in omegas, so I recommend adding it to your oatmeal. We're gonna grab our oil. We actually ran out of vegetable oil, and so we just substituted it with canola oil. I mean coconut oil. So this looks like a lot, but remember, we're making 3 loaves, okay? Now we're gonna add our dry ingredients. So something funny happened. Our measuring cup actually broke, so we're just gonna have to use it like this. Like this. Like this. This is why washing your hands is very important. What is this for?
I think so.
This bowl is probably too small for all of this batter, but we're just gonna make it work because we don't want to wash more dishes, right, cameraman?
Right.
Now we're gonna add our other dry ingredients, baking soda and baking powder. My hands are so dirty. Okay, so I'm gonna go wash my hands because this is getting very messy. We might have to wash dishes, cameraman.
No.
Half a teaspoon of salt.
Slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry kiss.
We could always put it in the refrigerator later.
Sweet the taste
Tonight.
still drive me crazy.
Oh.
Alright.
My strawberry kisses. I could fly through the wind.
We have our batter, and now we're grabbing our baking pan. So we're just gonna put our mix inside of the pan and then toss it in the oven, and then we're gonna update you guys on what it looks like, what it tastes like, and all that good stuff.
How you feel deep inside.
This is just some vegan chocolate that I
Slowly
crushed up
kisses
with
passing by the river.
Hey.
My strawberry kisses. I could fly through the wind.
So it's the very next day. I took out the bread at night and just let it cool overnight and finally put it on here. Be careful when handling this bread because accidents might happen. But if you try this recipe, go over to Instagram at Rebecca Eloisa and send me a message or take a picture and tag me in it. I really want to see your finished product. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. It really supports my channel. All right, bye.